Alrighty, hey guys, this is JC Bowers. Today we are at Wabash and I'm going to be talking to you about the prickly pear cactus. It's got a bunch of names, but the one that we have today is actually a thornless variety. That doesn't mean that it doesn't have those little hairs and whatnot. It still does, so be careful. But it is thornless, so you don't have these like huge 1-inch thorns coming out at you. People are really starting to move more towards agave succulents, cacti, because they help save water. They really hold and store their water in the plant itself. So this is what I'm talking about. Now, the thornless prickly pear has been around forever, y'all, and especially the Aztecs used it as both a medicinal herb and they ate with it. These are like the little paddles, and they either fried them or used them in other dishes. I believe they roasted them as well. I'm not positive on that. But one of the biggest reasons why everybody loves it, and it's native to Mexico and it's in a bunch of Mexican cuisine, is the fruit, the prickly pear fruit. And it is so lovely. I've never personally had one, but it's pretty incredible because I was watching this nature documentary. And what happens is they bloom, the flowers sort of bloom really more at night, and the bats are what pollinate all this stuff, all these prickly pears, so that way they can have fruit. So we've really got to shout out to the bats. Bats are amazing. They do so much for us, and they eat like 2,000 mosquitoes a day. We really got to get more on our bat game, guys. But besides that, I've heard it's an incredible flavor, sort of like a watermelon cucumber sort of deal. I know that you need to use tongs, and I've heard of people like burning off like singeing off the little hairs like I was talking to you about. I don't remember the exact verbiage that they use, but there is an exact verbiage. So if you're if you're one of those people where it's like, wow, no matter what I do, I kill something, you should definitely get this plant because I was told does not even after transplanting, doesn't need water. So that's pretty amazing. We should have a few people like go hard on this and see what our results are. So that being said, like I said, if you're having some trouble growing some stuff or feel like what can thrive in my environment right now, this cactus can. And yeah, plant on.